Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fold my newest design, the Origami Venom. This is made from a fish base, like a lot of my other face models, and I think you'll really enjoy it. I like how the tongue came out, and so let's get started. Start with a 17 centimeter square paper. I already started some of the creases so it'll go a little faster, but start with the white side up and make a diagonal fold. So just like that, and then turn the model and make another diagonal fold, and now fold each side into the center crease like this. Like that. Okay. Now we're going to collapse the paper into a fish base using the creases we just made, just like that. Okay. Now there isn't this crease yet, but you see these, there's this two intersecting creases and they come to a point. Well, what we do is we just make a little bit of a mark fold, and then using that, we fold it all across like this. And now we're going to make what's known as a sink fold. So open the paper up and reverse these folds. Like this. Okay, now take these flaps and just fold them up for the moment. We're going to open up this part of the model here, and where we have this white point, you see this crease here, we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it over where it's exactly parallel at the top of the paper, where this point is like that, and it intersects with this mark here. So now just fold it down like that, and now we're going to do the same thing over here. Now you can take the paper and you should be able to do this. Mostly we're going to use this as a guide. Just like that. Okay. And now we're going to rabbit ear fold this point. Make sure you get it folded right down the middle. Okay, so for the moment we're just going to fold it to the side here, and now we're going to work on this part. So take the points and fold them up to the top of the model like that. Next, take it and fold it back on itself, just like that. Then we're going to take it, and this one, there is no guide for this step. You're going to start at the utmost top and you're going to angle it where it looks something like that. Okay? Now you're going to open it up and you're going to make what's known as a squash fold. Okay? Now we're going to fold this back, but we're going to fold it back a little bit farther, so it's going to make two tiny squash folds along the side. Like that. And that. And lastly, you're then going to fold it back just like that, making one of the eyes. So now we're going to do the same thing here. So fold it up. Open it up and do a sync fold. And now, fold it back. Okay. So, actually we're going to take the bottom point, and we're going to bring it up, and you see this mark, and then the top? Well, right about where the middle, well, we're going to go a little bit past that. We're going to take the point to about right there. And then we're going to crease. Okay? Unfold it. And now we're going to take the paper and we're going to start where we had this crease. And we're going to go halfway along the white part here. We're going to fold it like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and very quickly we're just going to put the point in there, hide it. Now we're going to bring the paper back up and crease. And it should look something like that. Okay, and now where this part and this part are, we're going to take the paper and fold it all the way back. Right to here. Just like that. Okay? Now take the point and fold it up right to where the white stuff is. Now fold it again up to that point. And fold it again. Crease it well. Now we're going to unfold everything we just did there, and now what we're going to do is a zigzag fold. So doing the first fold a valley, and the next a mountain using the creases we already made. Next one a valley, another one mountain, another one valley, and the last one like that, valley. Okay, now we're going to take the paper and we're going to fold it back along this center line, just like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is a little bit interesting. We're going to take this paper here and we're going to make a small fold back on the point. A lot of paper there, so just try and do a good crease. And the model is going to look like that now. This paper's okay. So once you've done that, now take this flap and fold it up as far as you can, and crease it like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Excuse me, we're actually going to take these purple parts, and I think I'm going to try and fold it like that. That way it hides the purple a little more. Try and make sure everything's creased well. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point back out, and I like to make a little bit of a fold like this in it, tuck it in just like that, and then you do whatever you want with it. We're just going to fold it to the side right now for the moment. Okay. Now we're going to try and shape the model. So take the side, and this is again a little bit arbitrary, but something like that. Whatever fold you do, try and keep it uniform on the other side, meaning try and keep the origami looking asymmetrical. Okay. Now we're going to shape the chin. Now we're going to shape the head a little bit. Whatever looks good to you. It's not a science. Okay. Not perfectly uniform. You want to try and get it exactly equal on all sides as you can. But that's good enough for now. Okay. And now the tongue. What you can do with that is you can shape it any way you want. You can curl it back and forth like that. That's what I like to do. Try and get it so it's got some shape to it. Like that. Okay. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys again. Okay.